I'm working on my office and the guest room this week. I decided to get a standing desk for my office space. I'm going to put my work stuff on that desk as well as my personal computer on that desk too. So we put together the chair already and I absolutely love the chair. I got it from Ikea. I feel like it's a really good quality chair. It's very comfortable. I'm actually sitting on it right now. Not only is this chair really comfortable, it's just aesthetically pleasing. Like, even though guests sleep in here, this is also like my me space. I really need to complete the space of like that calmness, and I feel like what I bought for my office space is going to work out really, really well. I'm gonna put my desk on this wall. This box is gonna go. Unfortunately, this plant with this section is gonna go. I'm probably gonna move it to my room, honestly. This bed is going to be changing the layout. I'm gonna move it around to face that wall over there. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on that.
It's just working angles.
Working angles. Something happened over there.
No, didn't. Remember that one piece of the frame doesn't have the right screw, so it doesn't go down a little bit?
True. The bed has now moved to this corner over here. I think that looks pretty good. I'm really excited to finally have a real desk in here and not have that tiny little desk over there anymore to use. I'll actually have space. Really excited about that.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
So we just finished building my desk. This is why I wanted walking space, so I can have enough space for the chair. I absolutely love it. And yes, I will do something about that cord. For right now, that's gonna stay like that until I get my sleek socket, and I will do my like cord management and all that jazz. But for right now, this will work until I get those things. I've been using this desk for about a month now, and I absolutely love it. I got it from Amazon. It was less than $400 when I bought it. A great find. I have enough space for my personal computer, work monitor, and my work laptop, as well as my 2 keyboards, but I do interchangeably move those keyboards whenever I'm using either my personal computer or my workstation. In my last clip, I talked to you guys about getting my cords situation figured out. I'm really big on cord management, and I'm really big on making sure that I don't see wires as much as possible. I feel like it is not aesthetically pleasing when you have wires all over the place. It makes your house look a little bit dated. It makes your space look a little bit dated, and it just looks cluttered, and I don't like clutter. That wire over there with the lamp, I'm gonna do something about that. For this video, I did get a few items that I did want to touch on. I'm using the sleek socket to hide the cover, so then I could use the extension part to plug in the items that are on my desk. I also bought a 125-inch cable concealer that is utilized for one cord only, that will hide the sleek socket cord, which I also thought was a great find. I also got some USB-C to USB-A adapters, so I don't have to have anything sitting on my desk. For my microphone, for my camera, everything will be able to be plugged in on the back of my iMac, and nothing will be sitting on the desk. I think I have what I need to make my space look good and cord free. I will probably be coming back tomorrow to do that. I had a long day today. I do want to take a break, but I just wanted to show you guys the items that I did get. We will come back and work on really modifying all the cords and making sure that we don't see anything. You know when you say to yourself you're going to do something and then you kind of don't? In this case, that's kind of what happened. I was supposed to put the sleek socket and the cord hider a few days ago. I have been having a pretty tough week, so I kind of procrastinated on doing that. I am going to finally finish hiding those cords, so I want to show you guys what I have not done so far. This is how my cords are kind of just hanging around and not really doing anything. I am going to work on that now and put that sleek socket on there, and then I'll come back and show you guys partially what that looks like. I will be raising my desk, so when the wire or when my desk is raised, then you know nothing is kind of like pulling on anything, and I have like the accurate measurements of how far I need to have the cord hider on the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this is my desk standing up. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug everything down there and put the sleek socket in, and then kind of find the right position for my cord hider and everything else. And I do wish that this desk came with like a little basket under here to hold some cords, but that's okay. I will figure something out. I'm trying to decide if I want to place this up here or if I want to put this into the hole like that. I think I might do that instead. Yeah, I think I might do that instead, y'all. Because then that way I can place this surge protector. This Ikea surge protector, I can place this on my desk and then hide this behind my, I might do this Ikea hack that I actually found. So let me go ahead and do that. Peace.
Cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better.
So I finished under the desk, so I got everything taped up. Okay, I just realized not everything, but let me finish that right there. Now we have everything taped up. It looks so good. All the wires are, you know, out of the way, and definitely I'm leaving this out because, you know, when my desk goes up and down, I don't want to apply too much pressure on it, but I will kind of place this on the wall so then it won't, you know, bend over too much. But I'm loving how it looks, guys. So I did move my desk around, or my monitors around. My computer's sitting right there now. My work stuff is on the side now, so I'm really happy about that. This is also my desk at its standing rate. I think it looks good so far. All these wires under the monitor stand, those will get hidden. Right now I'm just leaving it like that, but I will hide that. I do have a hack for that, so that will be coming up very shortly. So I'm gonna go to the store and get the item that I need to hide these cords. In Ikea, and my plan probably may not work, and I'm trying to find different things that I could potentially substitute it for, so hopefully we'll see what works. It's pretty late right now, but I want to show you guys the finished product. I cleared out my room, got a couple new items to organize it a little bit, and I will link everything that I used in this video in the description box. But I did run to Ikea and got a few things, so I just want to show you what I did to organize my cords. And I also got something as a temporary thing to organize a lot of my office stuff as well as my camera equipment, so it's not sitting out on my desk or sitting out on the bed. Let me go ahead and show you guys that. This is one of the solutions that I gave. I don't know why on camera it's looking really yellow in here, but I promise you it's not yellow. It's more of like a light tan. But a lot of my cords that were sitting on my desk, everything is housed in there. That's some cord management. Everything's tied up properly. I made sure I got something that had some really good ventilation so it doesn't heat up in there. I love this hack. It makes my desk area look so neat and put together. When I got to Ikea, I also got this small temporary storage solution. I don't remember the name of it, but I will link it in the description box. I absolutely love it, guys. Absolutely love it. And I'm so grateful to finally have a space where I can work properly, and I'm going to make a lot of use of this space.
tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear that you were just lost. But now you're found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we were